The Moon, our celestial companion, is about to face a dramatic encounter, and it's all thanks to a remarkable discovery by the James Webb Space Telescope. But wait, before you panic, let's unravel this intriguing story. NASA's startling announcement. Imagine this: an asteroid, hurtling through the vastness of space, is on a path that might lead to a collision with our Moon. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie, it's a real-life scenario that has NASA scientists talking. The James Webb Telescope, with its unparalleled capabilities, has detected an asteroid that could potentially disrupt the Moon's serene existence. Revolutionizing space observation. Telescopes like Hubble and the more recent James Webb have revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. They unveil the secrets of the universe, bringing into focus the birth of distant galaxies and the subtle dance of asteroids. In May 2024, James Webb's gaze fell upon a minuscule moving point, the 2024 YR4 asteroid, measuring a staggering 53 to 67 meters in diameter. Picture a 10-story building hurtling through space. A near-miss with Earth. Discovered at the end of 2024 YR4 initially sparked concern due to its alarmingly high probability of colliding with Earth. Scientists calculated a 3.1% chance of impact in 2032, prompting NASA to initiate simulations and studies for potential planetary defense. But here's where it gets interesting. Further calculations revealed Earth was safe, but the Moon might not be. The Moon's close call. So, what if the Moon takes the hit? Astronomer Pawan Kumar reassures us that it's not a cause for panic. Any lunar debris would burn up in Earth's atmosphere, posing no threat to our planet. Instead, it would create a new crater on the Moon, a spectacle for telescopes and amateur skywatchers alike. And here's the exciting part: this event could offer scientists a rare, real-time glimpse into the behavior of space impacts and their effects. NASA's Cosmic Defense Training. While the 2024 YR4 asteroid poses no direct danger, its discovery has been invaluable for NASA's planetary defense training. From detection to risk assessment and public communication, NASA has honed its skills in handling potential cosmic threats. This builds upon their 2022 DART mission, where they successfully altered an asteroid's orbit. Looking ahead. The 2028 appearance of 2024 YR4 will provide astronomers with critical data on asteroid composition, density, and shape, aiding in understanding their behavior. Despite not being a direct threat, NASA will closely monitor its passage near the Moon and Earth in the 2030s, continually refining their planetary defense strategies. And this is the part most people miss. While the Moon's potential impact has captured attention, it underscores NASA's dedication to safeguarding our planet from cosmic surprises. So, is the Moon's close call a cause for concern or a fascinating scientific opportunity? The debate is open, and your thoughts are welcome.